Like seriously, why does life feel boring when everything is calm, but the moment something messy happens, we suddenly become detectives, therapists, and full-time spectators? Let me ask you this. Have you ever said, "I'm done with drama," then immediately grabbed popcorn when someone else's drama showed up? Yeah, that's not a coincidence. And no, you're not fake. You're not toxic. You're just human. Let's talk about it. Here's the weird thing about drama. Nobody wakes up and says, "Ah, yes, I would love emotional chaos today." But when chaos appears, we don't exactly run away either. We slow down. We listen harder. We lean in like, wait, what happened next? It's like when you're walking past two people whispering loudly. You weren't interested. But now you need context. One big reason we crave drama is because our brains are bored easily. The human brain loves stimulation. Calm days don't give it much to chew on. Peace is quiet. Routine is predictable. Drama? Drama is loud, emotional, and full of surprises. Your brain goes, "Oh, something is happening." It's like Netflix. You don't remember the calm scenes. You remember the plot twists. Another reason? Drama makes us feel alive. Think about it. When was the last time you felt strong emotions? Was it during a normal, peaceful afternoon? Or during an argument, scandal, or shocking story? Exactly. Drama hits all the emotional buttons at once: shock, anger, curiosity, excitement. Even if it's negative, it's still something. And sometimes, when life feels dull, something feels better than nothing. Let's be honest for a second. Other people's drama is way more fun than our own. Your own problems, stressful, heavy, annoying. Someone else's problems, interesting, juicy, low-risk entertainment.